What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel. And today we got a little something different today. We got a dbrand skin. I recently bought a MacBook Pro and I wanted to customize a little bit. You guys know I'm big into customization. So I ordered a dbrand skin and we're going to apply it today. As you guys know, we're on that race to 1K subs by the end of June. I think we can make that happen. So as always, subscribe, share, like, comment, hit that bell for notifications. And without any further ado, let's get into it. All right, so now you can see I have my MacBook Pro right here. This is the dbrand skin right here. It came in this nice little package. And then also I know from having a previous dbrand skin, you need a hair dryer. Luckily, there's a female living in this house, my wife. So I'm gonna borrow hers right now. So we're gonna get into it. Let me move this out of the way for a second. And we're gonna open this package. All right, so it's a pretty cool package, I must say. And I think that is, yeah, that's it. So we're gonna toss this to the side, even though it's pretty cool. I don't think anything else is in here. Yeah, so we're gonna toss that to the side. And then here are my skins. I got the carbon fiber skin. So this will go on the top. This will go on the inside, and then this will go under. Pretty straightforward, just 3 pieces. And then we have a microfiber cloth because we're gonna have to clean it. And then I think that's it. And we're gonna do a quick little wipe down on the top with the dbrand microfiber cloth. So the first one we have with the logo. All right, finally, with many tries, I got the top portion on the way I want it. It's not perfect, but it is what it is. So I'm just gonna smooth this out a little bit. We're going to install the bottom portion of it. All right, so I think I got this back portion on the way I want it. Now I'm just gonna smooth it out. Now, there's also another piece on here that is for, I guess, this little trim right here. So I'm gonna just put that on off camera. All right, and now we have what I would consider probably the hardest part. Well, it might be the easiest part, actually. I don't know why they would give you a piece for this, because this goes right here, but I don't know who would ever want to cover that up, but whatever. So we're gonna install this piece right here. Alright, so we got all the pieces on. Sorry I had to go off camera for a little bit, but this thing was frustrating the heck out of me because these little thin straps on the end, I couldn't really see over the camera, so I had to put it like close up, like put my face like almost right on this freaking thing to get it applied perfectly. But the method I figured out that worked as well is line the bottom part up first, actually, not the top part, bad idea. Line the bottom part up first and then work one side and then go over, because if you just try to lay it on there, it's not going to line up perfectly. Now we have this all done. Now it's time to apply some heat. Time lapse time. Alright, you guys, as you can see, I have my dbrand skin properly installed. Just a quick recap. I did the top portion first. I laid it on there, went from left to right. I found out that was the best method. Well, kind of like the corner, top left and right, and then kind of went down this way. That's the best method to kind of line it up as perfectly as possible. And then we did the back. Essentially, you just basically need to make sure it lines up with the stoppers at the bottom and then the nails. So top to bottom or left to right, either one works fine. And then that little strip at the top, lay it properly and just make sure it's stuck on there. Make sure you wipe everything down. And then as far as the inside, I thought I was going to go top to bottom, but it turns out I went bottom to top and then left to right as I worked my way towards the top. Make sure you're applying pressure to everything. Once you have everything in place, give it a quick wipe down, make sure everything's smooth along the sides. What I did was apply the heat on there for about 15 or 20 seconds on each portion. I let the adhesive kind of sink in, and then I wiped everything down again and added a little bit of pressure just to make sure it was there. But anyways, that's going to be it for this video, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in getting a dbrand skin for your MacBook Pro, hopefully this video helped out. As always, we're on that race to 1K subs by the end of June. So make sure you subscribe, share, like, comment, and hit that bell for notifications. And as always, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Let's get it.